Welcome to the vlog.
Yep. Santa's ready. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Get everybody inside. Hello, YouTube copyright. Don't give a fuck. Let's go. She naked. Oh, she naked. What? Shake it. Shake it.
Congratulations to you two. That was amazing.
Round 5.
Let's see what purple does to this hair.
You want to see something?
Every time we go to bed, she wants to lay in my spot. Look how cute she is. So yeah, about last night.
Hey, how are you? How's it going today?
Oh, it's so great, so cold. Can you see that deer? I killed that deer. Why? Because I hit that motherfucker. Look at that. Damn, motherfucker. Let's take a look at this motherfucker. Still breathing. Time to look at some cars. My new car. That bird jizz on my new car. Happy Thanksgiving. Next year we'll be at the beach.
You want the turkey?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh,
Oh, whoa.
you want a piece of turkey? Oh. She gobbled that up. She's like, "Oh, I want more."
Oh. Putting Christmas lights on the car. After hours.
10 hours later.
Putting the lights on the car is complete. 2,000 of those lights.
Hello, Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Bye.